Are you curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Toyota Sequoia 2008 to 2017? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Toyota Sequoia 2008 to 2017 houses essential fuses for interior electronics such as the dashboard, power outlets, lighting, and various control modules. It's designed with labeled circuits for easy identification and quick troubleshooting. This box helps protect and manage the SUV's key cabin electrical functions efficiently. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Toyota Sequoia 2008 to 2017 manages major power circuits for the engine, cooling system, lighting, and other high-load components. It contains clearly marked fuses and relays to safeguard critical underhood electrical functions. This setup ensures reliable performance and easier maintenance during diagnostics. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.